guess I can fix that real quick. It's in here. Oh, so tired. So what? Choose angle for direction of travel. Choose radius. Index. Planet. Velocity. What? Oh, right here's the velocity. So when we initialize, okay, so it's only recycle. Bum, ba, 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 bum, 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 ba, ba, bum, bum, bum. So P velocity, it looks like it's random again, right? That and that. Oh. Ba, bum, ba, bum, ba, 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 bum. Ba, 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 bum, ba, ba, bum, ba, 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 bum. Ba, 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 bum. Last point, whatever, last point, position, color, smaller size, next direction, position, ML index, GST index line. Where's the, oh, recycle, oh. Location, SP velocity, oh, that's all those super shapes. Yeah, that's interesting. I forgot what that, oh no, that's part of the super shapes. Yeah. I was just about to say, I don't remember. So when it does the P recycle, doesn't it reset P render? P recycle. See the velocity here. Plan pal. Update data. That's all moving according to the plan pal velocity. Yeah, I don't understand. See, like when I destroy one, it seems to have, no, I guess it does have a random velocity. They all move the same speed. Okay, that's fine. So we got 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Bingo! Okay, so this one, we want to get crystals now. So once this one's activated, so when we're in here and we're going into inventory, and like this one here, this is the crafting right here, check recipes. So if get name flour and get quantity there, upgrade ship technology. Okay. So that's the one. Which one? Okay, so that one there. Jeff, you're funny. Oh, I still got my hat on. I gotta go outside. It's 3 in the morning. I gotta go outside and get a watermelon. Do some bowling. Okay. That's okay. So that will be fine. And then what we want to do, so when we do update this 0, right? And this particular one, update ship technology. So then we want to go into the, oh, it's in main here, isn't it? It is. It's called game state. No, it's way up here. It's collect state. So then collect state, we want to switch it to collect crystals. So wait a minute, where in here is it going to do that? So collect state, show space, do show space. So let's go into do show space. So it renders that, renders that, renders that. Okay, so then let's go here. Update data, collect state. Ah, right here. Okay, so before we call that, obviously we should check and do whatever. I don't know. So let's, excuse me. So are we going to check that every frame? Because we really don't need to. Really the only time we need to change that, show inventory. No. So what we need to do is actually trigger that when we trigger the other thing. Ship rotation. I don't think it triggers in here though. It triggers in. So, So that's funny. We're actually in here and we're sending in collect flowers and all this. We're sending this to that particular inventory, right? Text and net. Okay, so where? Increment quantity, check recipes. Okay. Oh, it's this one that receives it for update data. But even if it was within this one, because the check recipes is in the inventory. And check recipes is called from within. Okay, I'm just thinking of another place to do it. We just have to have another function in the inventory to because check recipes will set see this right here, update ship technology. Yeah, it's got to be in main and it's got to be called to every frame then because it's happening inside of this. Yeah. Okay, I mean we can do that for now until we figure out another way to do it. But what we can do is come down here, do show space. It can be inside of do show space because that's where it's going to happen. So right in here, okay, so we can update the data, and then right here we want to check state. We will call the inventory function. So, actually, file save as 217. Yeah. I'm about to break stuff. So collect state will equal this check state from the inventory function, and then in the inventory function, it's going to be called every frame, so we don't need to worry about when it's called in relation to that. So let's just go down here. Let's go, it's going to return, oh, what's it going to return? It's going to return a game quest. Okay, we're okay with that. Okay, so now all we have to do so the next thing we want to check, or the reason we would call check state, is because this one, update ship technology, will do everything's happening inside of inventory and working just fine, but inside of main, when we make decisions about what we're going to be able to do, like back at the planets, because main needs to have planets change state to collect crystals. Once this has happened at least once, this update ship technology. So check state. So then how do we check the state? I have to use the bathroom. And see, check recipes, that's part of it. Update ship technology 0. Bum, 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 bum. So why isn't it well, we need to what do we need? How do we need to do that? I gotta go to the bathroom. Hold on. A false alarm? I don't know. Let's figure this out. So check recipes, update ship technology slot. So the only time this is gonna happen is once. Or no, this is gonna happen every time, isn't it? Oh, that's a problem. So when we call the main, we want to check state. All we want to do is check the inventory to find out if it... We're going to do the same thing that check recipes does, isn't it? Check through all the items, check the quantity of the flour. Because we need to check all the recipes to find out if it qualifies for collect crystal, collect blood. Let's just do the first one and see how that works out. Because we have to do exactly this. This is what bugs me so much, is because we have to do exactly the same thing, which is whatever. So update technology slot, except we're not doing that in this case, and we're not going to break, we're just going to return. a GameQuest object, which is going to be collect crystals. That's what we're going to do. Return collect crystals. And then in this particular case, if it gets all the way through there and it doesn't return anything, then return collect flowers. There we go. Okay. Incidentally, so this right here, then we go like this. We're going to put a nested if. If item.get name. But then it's not going to... No. Wait, we need a boolean for that. We're going to need a couple booleans. Maybe crystals equals false. Okay. We're also going to need another one. Maybe shapes equals false. Boolean. Maybe... what's the last one? Teleporter? Maybe complex recipe. Complex equals false. Okay, so first one right here, instead of returning crystals, we're going to say maybe crystals is true. And then right here, we're not necessarily... So right here, maybe crystals is true. Okay. Okay, if item.get name, excuse me, crystal. Yeah, I really should burp more often right into the microphone, I know. Apologies for that. That's all I can say. I just got done eating. Have no idea when I'm going to burp. So if the crystal goes greater than 10, okay. Then we'll just go maybe shapes equals true. But then we need to figure out which one of these, yeah. Tough one. Tough call. But let's do it again. Let's just keep going because, okay, flower, crystal, okay, then the next thing is the shapes. If item.getName equals, we don't even have these yet. We don't even have these in the game, the super shapes. Okay, so let's leave it at that. So then we just want to return if maybe crystals equals true. Okay, then right here, if maybe crystals is true, then return, wait, if maybe crystals is true, then we want to go if maybe shapes. Okay, hold on. So if maybe shapes, then we want to return collect shapes. Okay. If maybe crystals is true and maybe shapes is not, then we're going to return collect crystals. So then we could put another else, but it doesn't really matter because if it gets inside there and neither one of those is true, it's going to return something, right? Because if maybe crystals is true, it's going to return that. If not, okay, because one of those is going to happen. So then the third option is right here, and we're good. So we can call that each time, and it will accurately tell us the state. And now we should have the return collect crystals, because maybe crystals will be true, maybe shapes is always going to be false. Or no, it's not. Maybe shapes will be true right when we get to here. But we should still be able to collect those things. Wait, where are we calling check state? Did we call it from the do? Okay, let's just see. Okay, so we need flowers here. We gotta upgrade our. Eight, 9, 10. Okay. So now can we get the crystals? Okay, there we go. Crystals, crystals, crystals. Can we get flowers too? Yeah, nice. Crystal, 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 crystal. Okay, so crystals at 10. And then can we still get the flowers and the crystals? Okay, so once crystal gets to 10, we need to do that. So check state, check recipes. Okay, so right here. Okay, so update ship technology. If it's 1, it's gonna go there. That'll do it. I think that'll do it. Let's just see. Let's play again. Come on. Here we go. Did we get it? We got it. Okay, so now we can do crystals. We should have a smaller version of this display the inventory off to the side as well. So we could have the full version of the inventory, and we can have a smaller version. $10 crystals, didn't do it. Why not? So which one plus forward are, okay. Flower, crystal, what? Bam, 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 bam. La 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 la. What are we doing? I don't know, I lost it again. I lost it. Quantity, value. But is that the name? Where was the thing? Where was the thing? What? Hold on. It wasn't in there. Forgot where it was at. I don't know. Isn't it just crystal though? Or is it crystals? Maybe will it show on the thing? Oh, I have to. Alright, we'll play again. Something tells me we're going to be playing this game a lot. Okay, so we got that. So the other one, let's get a crystal. Yeah, it's just crystal is the name of it. So see, it doesn't light up. Why not? Why didn't it light up? Let's go back and look. So if item get name crystal and get item quantity is greater than or equal to 10, update ship technology 1. Slot inventory which 1 plus 4. I color R equals 1, and then it does this, and then doesn't it do it? Why? Oh, is it because we have the break in here? Let's take out the break. That's why, because it's breaking and it's never getting out of that. Pardon me, I held the microphone away. I hope that was quieter. Hope that was quieter. That's all I can say. That's all I can say. $10, we got it. Okay, so now let's do crystals. Where are all the crystals? There it goes. Awesome. Okay, so this other one. So we just need the recipe for the other one, which is what? What was it going to be? What's the third one? That's going to be the mini map, isn't it, or the super shapes? This one, oh, the hyperspace, and then the teleporter. Okay, so we have that's the mini map. Okay, the hyperspace, that's going to be super shapes. So we're going to have to be destroying the super shapes now. So we're going to need another graphic for that. A 70 by 70 graphic. Yeah, see, these are small enough. This is a super shape, but it's not quite super shapey enough. This one is. This one's cool. Let's see if we can use this one. Sorry for the white screen there. 70 by 70. Okay. And then let's go into the... $777. So first of all, save it as 778 because we're gonna. Okay. Ba-bum. So we're gonna add 70. So 490. Boom. Okay. Okay, so we want to put it in, we want to put it right here, because it's going to be the super shape one, isn't it? Or no, we want to put it right here, whatever we do. Okay, so first of all, we really can't do that yet. Uh-oh. Okay. Here we go. Super shape right there. 778. Okay, so now that's cool. Ba-bum, ba-bum, ba-bum. Okay, so now what did I do? No idea. Check state. Okay. So I think we have to look into that add item to inventory function. Oh, computer, you're very, very funny. So Very funny. What is it here? How do I? Oh. Okay, get ID, increment, check recipes, return, new item. Oh. Sort items on collision. So where does the on collision one? Oh, hold on, isn't it in here? Hold on. Collision callback, set collision callback. Wasn't that in main somewhere in here? I think I left that in main here. Hold on. No, where is it? What did I do? What did I do? What have you done? You've misplaced them again. Yes, yes I did. Shoot. Now I don't know where it's at. Get total amount, check recipes, update ship technology. Check state. Okay. So this one has the on collision. Where's the one? Set collision callback. That's in here, right? Where is it? Collision callback equals callback. Thank you. Not helpful. Init data render update data cleanup. Okay, eval recycle init. No, so it's not in there. Wait, where was it? What happened? Where did I put it? It's just too late. It's too late. My brain is already shut off apparently. Something. Oh, it was right here. Okay, got it right here. Okay, good. Okay. So if plant type destroyed equals 1, else if plant type destroyed equals 2, display total number of items. We don't want to do that. Else if. So do we just need another else if? Is that it? This, that, what? I don't think I've ever used else ifs. So 3. Then we're gonna go super shape. Pardon me, let's just make it worth 30, doesn't matter. So new item, what's the, item ID 3, that's fine. And then save it. Okay, so that should work. Then we just need to do a collision. See, like with the crystal and the flower, it was inside of planets where we did a, where in there was set collision callback. Const collision callback, callback. Collision callback equals callback. But that is, whoops, that is set right here in main. Okay. Oh, so that's not going to work for the planet. Oh, okay. Wait. Actually, it will because that's where we do declare the I declare because the super shapes are in there. Oh, that's a problem because the super shapes have such a large number of lines and stuff. So to test if you're colliding with a super shape, well, we'll never get them in there. So, but right now, but let's just look. Okay, hold on. I just need to look. So the super shapes, we could easily have like a radius. See, we can have a radius, but that's going to be, oh, that's a tough one. See, like, what if you hit it right here? You see what I'm saying? The circle. Bum 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 bum. Da, da, da. I think I would like to do something special with the super shapes, honestly, because of the way we're going to break them down as well. Wouldn't that be cool? Like, let's say, no, I don't want to say because I don't think I can implement that too easy. What would be a way we could do that? Well, we could just do a bounding radius and just make it just like the other ones. Ta-dum. So let's look at the way that they're generated. So P init data and so init data. Okay, hold on. Init data. First 15 planets projected from the ship. Okay, planets, moons. Super shape stuff. Okay, super index, super step 2 times that, super max 2 times pi. Okay, there's 12 super shape variables set up per instance, so there's 12 of them, right? CH equals random 3. Oh, that's kind of cool. I remember there's different types and stuff. Random spiral 2. Okay, so there's that, and then location. Okay. So we could even set it, we could even make it just as simple as a radius from all of their SP locations. We could totally do that. Let me go downstairs and get the watermelon and bring it up. I also, what else am I going to do? I'll be right back. Okay, this is getting fun. Okay, what do we got going on now? Okay. Okay, so the location that, so we could use that to just, I gotta get ready to go in the shower, get ready to floss and brush my teeth and go to bed here any minute. So, what I was just looking at, no. So where does the collision occur here? Not there. Collision detected. Okay, so in the update function, check for collision, recycle asteroid. Reset position, check. So what is it doing? Oh, it moves the asteroids. Okay, so what does it move up here? So it moves the plan pal center, MN, okay, moves that, moves these. So then it checks if ship fire, and then it goes through this. Okay, so also repackage with updated positions, send vertex buffer to OpenGL. Now does it? So at the end here, SP super. Okay, that is okay. So SP anom location plus velocity minus move W ship minus move W. Okay. This is used to calculate position. So all we need to do is detect the collision. We don't have a way to recycle the super shapes, but everything else is good. So recycling the super shape, that's basically, yeah, destroying it. Okay. Oh, I see. Okay. So when we're rendering this, is there, what's the lines connecting planets, moons, super shapes? 12288, that's it? So what's that whole 65536 for? So it looks like each one is exactly 512 lines. No, each one. Oh, Chip, what did? Each one is exactly 1,024 lines, isn't it? Yeah. Or no, 1,024 vertices. Isn't it? Because to draw one line, you need 2 vertices. See, superindex plus 1. Then each time through it adds 2. Now it's going to go through this loop 512 times. Or 2 times pi divided by 512. Two times pi divided by 512, or it's, yeah. I think it continually loops through until it gets that many. So, so in each one of them, okay, so each one of them is based on this SP anomaly, okay, sub I. So all we have to do is check those 12 center points. Excuse me, there is a radius up here. It's between 0.04 and 0.08. No, 0.04 and 0.12. So you'd want to aim for the center of the super shape. Which is fine, you know. What if we see, because the color of each one of these vertices, position color right here. What if we make it darker as it goes out from the center? That would be kind of a cool effect too. Hold on. So where are we at? Class Planets 133, file save as 134. All of a sudden, going down to get a thing and then coming back up, getting a watermelon out of the car, and having it, computer, gave me a little bit of energy. Okay, so let's go into here. So we have the super radius there. So the super radius, okay, so let's just use the R, okay. Position equals spiral times super radius, okay. Where is the R used and what is it for? Oh, P eval. Okay, oh, that's calculating the radius or whatever? I don't know. I forgot what that is. Hold on just a second. Just R. It's not even used. Oh wait. It sets R equal to that. Sets R equal to that. Or that or that. So does it, what did we just figure out? But we never use VR. It's the address of it, but we're never using VR though. Oh, we're sending it in. I don't know. We're sending it in there, but we're not using it. We're just setting it equal to something. Oh, we're using it right down here. Color. Oh. VR divided by 0.3 plus 0.3 times random. Wait, so is there already a correlation between the center of the radius and the color? There is. It's darker in the center. Is it? Some of them. See, like these are, aren't they? Okay, so anyways, init data, that's fine. Let's look at the update data. That's where stuff happens right now. So shipfire, that's fine. So down here we can use the shipfire thing. Position plus equals spnom, velocity. So what we do in the other one is we update the position, then we check, right? Okay. So let's wait until the position is updated. There's the position updated. For all 12, super angle, super index. The velocity updates the position, right? This is used to calculate position and velocity. So location plus equals oh, I see. And then I just wrap them around the screen. Okay. Yeah, that's where I do the wrap right there. Okay. Bum, bum, bum. So I know how to do this. I just don't know exactly where to put in the code here because we're updating the position of the actual lines here. So for each of the 12 super shapes, we're updating the lines right here. And then we're updating the anomaly, which I don't know why we're doing that. Oh, we're doing that to, okay, but... Oh, I'm so confused. Because we can do this up here, we don't need to do this down here. But we do it in both places and we're keeping track, yeah. So in other words, this is nuts. This is absolutely nuts, Jeff. I can't believe you do this. Because the position, this is all we need to do right here is these lines. Oh, I see. Well, checking out of bounds, we really only need to check the bounds of the middle. That's why. That's why I don't do it inside this loop, because this is executed every frame, and this literally goes through the would go through the 12,000 points. versus just going through the 12 points. Okay, there's a little bit of an optimization there. I got it. I'm with you. I'm with you. Okay, so then we just want to calculate. So we're going to let all this happen. So we go through all 12 right here. So then we want to know for each one of the 12 points, we want to look at the, excuse me, I just had a banana when I came back upstairs. Or before I went downstairs today? I don't recall. It's not important right now. So distance, so if the distance between that and that, okay. What's the distance of the reset position, SI equals our update position? So S sub I equals PL MN index plus so SI is the ship if GLM distance of SI, and we want to check the SP anomaly I dot SP underscore location is less than 0.57. Let's make it a little further. That's fine, because those things are slightly, so that could work right there. Then we have a collision. So when we have the collision, then what we want to do, collision detected here, so we need to recycle, so we need to do this. Reset projectile for the ship, set the ship fire to false, call collision callback. Okay. But we need to recycle. So super shape recycle, super shape recycle. So then we just go super shape recycle, send it the index, and wish it well. We really wish it well. I just that's literally insane to do. But class planets 134. So this will work. Ship fire, collision callback, yeah. So the only problem now is the super shape recycle, which is going to be an exact copy of the information from the init data, not the update data. Okay, so super shape recycle, and it takes an index. So void SS recycle. Wait, what did I just call? This is going to be an unsigned integer. So void planets 1. Ba-ba-ba-bum. Ba-ba-ba-bum. Okay. Let's at least put that we made it here. We're here. Ba-ba-ba-bum. Bum, 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 bum. Ba-ba-ba-bum. Isn't that how you do that, I think? Let's see. And then now in the set collision callback, where did we set that? Wait, where was it again? I keep forgetting where I put that. I don't know. I'm just not sure. It's in main in the do class inits, isn't it? Computer do class inits. What's going on? There we go. It's in here. Okay, so super shape. We're good. We're good. Remember, it's super shape. Okay. Type destroyed. Okay. Okay, so we need to set the type destroyed there also equal to 3. Collision callback ship fire. Okay, so right here. Might as well do it here. Type destroyed equals 3. Oh boy. So super shape recycle. So now this, we just need to go to the init data. So here's the thing right here. Super index. So my question is, here's my question. Oh, I see. This could go really, really wrong. Well, that's why we updated to 134. We're on 217 now. So, well, let's see if we get the collision. Do we? And does everything compile? Did we? I'm sure we broke stuff. We didn't break stuff. Wow. Wait, that actually did stuff. We're here. Reset 11. Okay, except for we don't want to be there. That's good. That's good. That's so good right now. Okay. Do I have to work tomorrow? Son of a bean dip. That sucks. because that just worked. Okay, but basically what we want to do, and the reason why that we don't want that, and we're we're wandering aimlessly through code. All right, if type destroyed is greater than. Okay, so the thing that we have to do is, yeah, we have to check the state. Jeff, check the state. So check for collision right here. So if we get a collision, but the thing is, this is the update function, right? Hold on. Because we do send the update function to GQ state, right? So right here, ship fire distance. So GQ state and collect crystals. So I wait until I find. Oh. But let's do it right here. And GQ state is greater than or equal to collect shapes. There. Now it won't work. What it just worked will not work. See? There we go. Until we get there. Until we get there. Okay, hold on. See if this works. I don't think it'll work. Is it gonna work? Did we set it to work? 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, we got that. And then what's the next thing? That's the mini map, but it's still. I think the next thing we set it to was to collect the shapes, right? I think 7, 8, 9, 10. There's that. Now can we do these? Yes, now it works. So it does. Okay. We just need to eliminate that shape. And then it's collecting super shapes even. Oh, it's adding the super shapes to the thing. It doesn't have the graphic there. That's funny. Funny, man. And then once we get the hyperspace, we can do 10 super shapes for hyperspace. And then we can do some bizarre combination of all of them for the teleporter or something. I don't know. That's cool. Okay, that works. Okay, we did some more stuff. That is crazy. We made so much progress. Collision detection super shape. Okay. What was I doing? Oh. Hey, what's up, Vintage Luigi? How's it going? I gotta go, man. I gotta go. I'm late. Stop streaming.